Hello,
at the fantasies of the childhood.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day.
I know,
shining down like water.
To know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Oh, coming down on a sunny day.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard.
I know,
been that way for all my time.
till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah, 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 yeah. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? No, coming down on a sunny day. Thanks for joining.
Charaka at the fantasies. Thank you too. God bless you.